Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create goals on ClickUp. All you need to do is come here and click on these three dots where it says more, okay? So once we click on this, you get this option for goals. So go ahead and click on goals. And here, we can go ahead and scroll down, click on set a goal. We can name it, for example, produce 100 videos, right? Go ahead and press enter, or you can click on OK. I can choose an owner who's responsible for this goal. Let's say Ahmed's responsible for this goal, right? And who actually has access, so we can make the access for the entire workspace for NCSP, or we can make this private as well. I'll do it for the entire workspace. If there is a date this goal should be completed by, the end date, you can go ahead and select that. Let's say next week, Thursday. There we go. You can add a description. This is optional. You can do a short explanation why this goal is set, how it should be achieved. Okay, you can do that. This is very optional. You don't have to. You can click on OK right here. And there we go. Our goal has been set up. If you want to create targets to make it more measurable, you can do that as well right here. You can do a target name. Let's say 25 videos, right? Select the owner, same process. Okay. So here we go ahead and choose the owner. Now, since we already have myself, I only selected one person for the goal. That's why we don't have this option to choose the owner, because it's myself anyways. Okay, so here we have a type of target, right? How you want to go ahead and measure this. You can go ahead and click on either a number. Okay, so let's do a start of 0 and target is 25. Click on OK. And there we go. We have a target as well with our goal, right? And it's really that easy and simple.